Anthony! So the weather outside is frightful. But the day and the mood is delightful. This guy definitely came. Jack. Jack is holding it together out here. I think this is what he lives for, right? Everything is frozen. You look at the ghost mouth is frozen. All right, so we're preparing for this parade, the annual Christmas parade, and it is under 20 degrees right now, and it ain't gonna get any warmer. So we're just gonna let this camera run. You can see us as we set up the back of our truck. We were gonna get a whatchamacallit, a trailer, but you know what? This just wasn't cost effective, number one. And I don't know how long the kids are gonna be standing outside, so that's the other reason, because it's very cold. So we're just gonna set up the animatronics in the back of the truck and go with it, like we did last year. John, the back of the truck is closed. The camera's right there, so be careful with the camera. Put the fan on upstairs in the bedroom, open the door. Stinks. Maybe someone had cabbage.
What?
Someone had cabbage. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. We could actually have the back open too, you know that? We could have this open and open. If it stays like this, it's not too bad. Well, I mean, if it's sunny and not windy. Oh, the sun is huge. Right, Santa? Santa's sun? Hey, Santa. What happened to this thing over here? Jonathan, can you do this? Now, the back of the truck has a little bit of ice, but I think it seems to be getting much more. So, what's with the body glove? You have to grip. I want one of these signs like on each side of the truck. Have to figure out how to do that. Get this. Well, it's actually good to get the door open because someone dropped the deuce. Oh, the phone dropped again. See? That's how it happened last time. Stupid wind. I don't know when the phone dropped. Like this. I put it in front of the this thing right here.
Next year we should wear like those snow outfits for the parade. No joke. I can't even wear it.
That's what's funny in the diner.
Nope, I'm not wearing that. Come on. ready.
No, when do we have to go?
12.
I want to know when we have to go.
Jax, go inside. We're gonna meet at the church at 12. 12.
No.
John, look, put this one right here. John. Stand against your thing. No, keep it. Here, wheel this over. Wheel this over to the pumpkin patch. Let's get to the flat rocks. Kids, listen. If I would have listened to my dad when I was a kid and I was in my teens or whatever, I would have probably been a baseball player or a couple other things. So listen to your dad. Trust me. That one right there. John, like 3 flats, that's it. the plug this thing in. Come out of the, not just outside like that. Come on. It's too cold. You're not gonna sit in the truck there. You gotta do things. Come on. Sit in the truck.
It's not even cold in the truck. How's it going, everybody?
Kalikimaka! Merry Christmas! What a beautiful day! Wonder what's in my coconut here? It is hot cocoa, of course. Keeps me feeling like I'm back in the North Pole.
You like salad?
I miss the snow back home. Like, oh, this man feels my home. Happy holidays and a happy new year! You're okay. I know I sure am. I've been working hard for my health all year. Don't worry, I'll still make time to deliver presents to all the good children this year. I'm so excited to spend Christmas in paradise. Wanna head out to the beach and make some sand angels? Or maybe we could build a sand igloo.
You need to
Or a
adapt it for
sandman.
what you
That's way too.
Santa here? I know him. I'm not messing with you.
I know what I'm getting for Christmas. A sunburn. My complexion from the North Pole hasn't been prepared for warm tropical sunshine. Past the sunscreen, please. My nose will be extra rosy red this year.
Salad on? Voice? Oh, yeah.
I forgot off.
Cowabunga, dude!
Make it thick. Make some crust.
Ready for some dark
Don't get an adapter, please, for Jack. I'll go get a couple more rocks.
time, though. I better hurry back and get to work, or I'll be late for Christmas. Kalikimaka! Merry Christmas! What a beautiful day! Wonder what's in my coconut here? Hot cocoa, of course. Keeps me feeling like I'm back in the North Pole. I do admit, I miss the snow back home, but boy, this sand feels good in between my toes. Happy holidays and a happy new year! Hope you're hanging loose this season. I know I sure am. I've been working hard with my health all year, but everyone deserves a vacation. Even Santa.
How's it looking, guys?
Don't worry, I'll still make time to deliver presents to all the good children this year. I'm so excited to spend Christmas in paradise. Wanna head out to the beach and make some sand angels? Or maybe we could build a sand igloo. That's way too.
I'm not messing with you. I need another human who shares my affinity for
I get shot. I shot him. So the bring this baby back. Just put it by the puppy back. I'll take care of it.
next on my list. Come on, Zero. Christmas isn't over yet.
Don't worry.
Merry Christmas.
Hold on, baby. ET ready.
I've got the beard, the coat, the boots. Santa here? Like my old I'm not messing with you. Next on my list. Another human who shares my affinity for
Someone that like that would charge you the biggest frown in your face. Why? Why would you have a frown in your face? You're going to be in a parade. Awesome bomb. See what goes on now. Under. Stop it.
What do you just say?
We still going here? All right. So let me just show you how cold it is. We're not in Alaska. We're in Staten Island, New York. This is how cold it is. 12 o'clock. The hottest part of the day, and it's 12. It's 19 degrees. It might even get colder. So we wanted to get a trailer, but $200 is an animatronic. So we figured just let's go with the flow. And Vanessa might just drive this. Take it as it comes, but let me see if I can get this thing secured. I just need a longer strap, which I have. There you go. I don't know what other animatronic parade floats there are, but we are definitely one of them. This is our second. We did this only 2 times, right? This is the second time? Third? Yeah, but we didn't do animatronics the first time. We did a March truck blow-ups. We wanted to use what's his name? We wanted to have Jack Frost too, and then what you call it? But I think Jack Frost is frozen into the ground, the frozen tundra, and Yoda too. But we don't have any other Star Wars things, so that doesn't make sense. Even though we did order Stormtrooper, but we didn't get Darth Vader. That would definitely be better. See, John is good. He's mad. I don't know what he's mad about. You know what it is? He's in the zone. Look at Santa. Santa's feet are backwards. But the reason why is because we don't want to get him broken onto the rocks. And look at Elvis standing like he's a ballerina, and Jack's feet are standing like he's Andre. John, and Sally's on? I don't hear a song. Oh, here it is. Okay. Could you make it louder? Well, there you have it. Our, I don't know, 3rd or 4th time doing this parade. One time we were supposed to do the parade, and you know what happened? My truck's transmission blew, and I couldn't do it. Thank God that my transmission was covered, so I got a nice, whatever, brand I guess a brand new transmission. So my truck is good for another 100,000 years. 100,000 years. 100,000 miles, what? Huh? Jack's, yeah, well, it's probably frozen. Yeah, Jack's mouth doesn't move. Well, we have the other Jack. Yeah, they're both broken? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna do a couple last minute things here. I'm gonna end the video, I'm gonna upload it, and then we're gonna go back into, we'll get to this parade, get set up over there, and get moving. So everybody at NFL Sunday, if you're in your fantasy playoffs, good for you, because I'm not. I'm in the toilet bowl. I get to get the first pick if my team wins today, which doesn't do nothing for you anyway, because when I had the first pick, I had Jonathan Taylor 2 years ago, and he crapped the bed the whole year, so that was the end of that. So, I don't know. Whatever. I don't really care about fantasy football. I care about this. Right here, that dude. Not this. I care about him. I care about her. I care about my other kids, my mom, my family. Okay. I don't even care about myself. Hang hardcore, everybody. Holiday hardcore. 5316, it's going in. Everybody that is part of Party City, if you're watching this video, life has just begun, okay? You can get another job someplace else, you'll get unemployment, you'll be able to take a break for a while. You're not gonna pay taxes, okay? So it's not over for you. You might even do better getting unemployment. You take more money home and not pay taxes. You don't have to go to work. Then you work for cash someplace else, like at a bagel store or something, all right? We all got problems, we all gotta face them. We all gotta face them head on. We can't give up, we can't turn our backs to them. We have to face them head on. You have to keep walking in 19-degree weather, okay? In the words of this, what's that mean? What's that mean? It means don't give up, hang hardcore.